Today I am reviewing the Wavytalk Blowout Boost Thermal Brush. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for an easy way to get that salon-style blowout at home without juggling multiple tools, the Wavytalk Blowout Boost Thermal Brush is one of those styling tools that genuinely simplifies your routine while still delivering professional-looking results. Right from the start, this tool is designed to combine a round brush and curling iron in one device, which already saves a lot of time and effort. Instead of blow-drying and then styling separately, you can dry, shape, and volumize your hair in a single step. For anyone who struggles with traditional blowout tools or finds salon styling time-consuming, this is a major convenience upgrade. One of the standout features is its negative ion technology with ceramic tourmaline coating. In practical use, this helps reduce frizz and static while improving shine. As you style, the ions work to smooth the hair cuticle, which results in a noticeably sleeker and more polished finish. Hair doesn't just look styled. It looks healthier, softer, and more controlled, especially in humid conditions where frizz normally becomes a problem. The brush also comes with 5 adjustable temperature settings, which makes it suitable for different hair types and styling needs. Lower temperatures around 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 330 degrees Fahrenheit are ideal for fine or damaged hair, helping prevent unnecessary heat stress. Mid-range settings around 360 degrees Fahrenheit work well for normal hair, while higher settings up to 420 degrees Fahrenheit are designed for thicker or coarser hair that needs more heat to hold a style. This level of control makes it much more versatile than basic heated brushes. Another important feature is the LED digital display, which clearly shows the selected temperature. This helps you avoid guesswork and gives you more precision during styling. Instead of overheating your hair, you can fine-tune the heat level depending on your hair condition and desired look. Performance-wise, the Wavytalk Thermal Brush is designed for speed. It uses dual PTC heating elements, which help it heat up quickly and maintain consistent temperature. In real-world use, this means faster styling sessions and more even results. You don't have to go over the same section of hair repeatedly, which helps reduce heat exposure over time. The design of the brush itself makes styling feel more natural. The elongated heated bristles grip the hair effectively while allowing smooth gliding through strands. This helps wrap the hair around the barrel easily, making it simpler to create volume, waves, or soft curls without needing advanced styling skills. Even if you're not experienced with hair tools, the learning curve is quite manageable. One of the biggest benefits is the ability to achieve a voluminous blowout look at home. Whether you're going for bouncy curls, soft waves, or a lifted root style, the brush helps add body and shape without making the hair feel overly stiff or overstyled. The result is a more natural, salon-like finish that still has movement and softness. It also includes dual voltage support, which makes it convenient for travel. Whether you're styling at home or taking it on trips, it adapts to different power systems, adding flexibility for frequent travelers or professionals on the go. In everyday use, this tool significantly reduces styling time. Instead of using a separate blow dryer, round brush, and curling iron, you're working with a single device that handles multiple steps at once. This makes it especially useful for busy mornings or quick touch-ups before heading out. Of course, like any heated styling tool, it's important to use it correctly for best results. It should always be used on dry hair, and care should be taken to choose the right temperature setting for your hair type to avoid unnecessary heat damage over time. Proper sectioning of hair also helps achieve smoother, more consistent results. In conclusion, the Wavytalk Blowout Boost Thermal Brush is a practical, time-saving, and beginner-friendly styling tool that delivers impressive blowout-style results without the complexity of traditional salon tools. With its combination of ion technology, adjustable heat settings, fast heating performance, and easy-to-use design, it stands out as a strong option for anyone looking to achieve smooth, voluminous, and polished hair at home with minimal effort.